Welcome to the 10th video of this Wise Agent training video series. In this video, we are going to cover parent and child checklist. Parent and child checklist should be used when you have both sides of a transaction. If you represent both the buyer and seller in the same transaction, you should have two separate checklists, one for the buyer and one for the seller. But in the Wise Agent system, you can actually help combine the two checklists together. As a note, the seller should always be the parent and the buyer should always be the child. Since the seller is always first in a transaction, it should be the parent. To add a parent and child checklist, you go to the side, you hit transactions and hit checklist. Once you are there, you're going to select the listing, the buyer's one first. So you can have here, we have a listing and we have a buyer. So I'm going to go into the buyer, and over here, I'm going to see where it says, you're going to see up top here where it says parent checklist. What you're going to do is you're going to hit add, and a drop down menu will appear, and you are going to select the listing. So in this case, it's going to be this listing checklist here, and it should have the address of, or the name of that checklist. And once you do that, you're going to hit save. And what you then can see is it now says parent checklist, and it's the listing is now connected. So when you click this right here, it will automatically take you to that listing checklist. And on the listing checklist, you can see down here below, it says child checklist. When you click this, you will automatically pop up with that buyer's checklist. So when you select this, it will take you back to the buyer's checklist. So now you can work back and forth on both the buyer and listing checklist, helping you throughout that single transaction where you represent both sides. If you have any questions about the parent and child checklist, either use the Wise Agent help feature or just ask us and we'll be glad to help. All right, see you in the next video.